Hello everyone, welcome to the how to channel. On today's tutorial I'm going to be teaching you how to delete all your tweets on Twitter. Now guys, I'm going to start this video by saying you cannot delete all your tweets on Twitter at once using the application. Now for you to be able to do that, you actually need to get a third-party application. Now most third-party applications are paid for and I consider as risky because now you have to give up your Twitter information for there to be able to delete your Twitter post, all your Twitter posts at once, which I consider being risky. Now I'm going to show you how you can actually delete your post from your Twitter account using the Twitter application. Now without a third-party app, I'm going to be teaching you how you can delete these posts. Now the first thing I always recommend is updating your application. Now this actually goes a long way. So you want to go to your Play Store and search for your X Twitter. And then guys, you want to update it if you have an update like mine, but if you don't, you can go ahead with the remaining steps. Now after updating, I'm going to head over to the Twitter account by clicking on open. Now over here at Twitter, you want to tap on your profile picture at the top left hand corner of your screen, and then guys, you're going to be tapping on your profile. So now if it's a tweet that was tweeted by you posted the tweet. Now all you need to do is to tap on the three button at the top of that tweet, and then guys, you are going to find your delete button. Now tap on the delete button and that post will be deleted. Now you cannot find that post again. Now if it's a tweet that you reposted, all you need to do is to tap on the repost icon. You can see it there, it looks greenish. Now as you keep tapping and undoing the repost, you are deleting that post from your profile. Now it will not be found by anyone on your profile again. Now guys, I really hope you learned something from this video. Thanks for watching, and please remember to subscribe to the how to channel. I'll see you next time in our next video. Bye.